beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of Comfort Foods Kitchen. I know it's been a while since I made my last cooking video, and I missed y'all, but I had to go away for a little bit. I was, let's say, schooling some people about childbirth. Once they had their children, I had to teach them on how to care for their children. So, I'm back now, and we're going to be making today marinated pork chops, Mexican style. And these are going to be our ingredients. Okay, I have about 2 pounds, maybe 2.5 pounds. You can go up to 3 pounds for these ingredients that we're going to be using for these pork chops. You can use center cut pork chops, or you can use pork tenderloins. I'd rather use the pork tenderloins, but today I'm going to be using the ones with the bone in center cut pork chops. And we're going to be using chili powder, seasoning salt, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, basil, and thyme. So I'm going to put all of that into this bowl, mix it all together, and then we're going to marinate our meat. So this is about 1.5 cups. This is about 1/2 cup of salt. 4 teaspoons of onion powder. 4 teaspoons of basil. 4 teaspoons of black pepper, and thyme. 4 teaspoons. This is our paprika, and we're going to be using about 1/2 cup of paprika. This is a Mexican dish that I have not made before here on this show. I have made it numerous times for my family. Now what we're going to do, we're going to sprinkle these ingredients all over. I'm going to use one side. Now this meat has already been thawed out and washed. Like I was telling you in the other videos, always wash the meat. You don't know where those fingers have been. You're not trying to make your family sick. You're not trying to be sick. You're the cook. What they going to do without you? So now we're going to marinate, rub on the other side of the pork chops. We're going to use all of this. And I'm going to tell you why. This is going to be covered in water. That's what's going to give us our sauce. And the thickness of the sauce is going to be coming from the chili powder. So see, we're going to run this over the meat, and we're going to cover the meat with water. Enough water to cover this meat. There we go. Your oven should already be set at 350 degrees. And now we're going to use some aluminum foil. Cover this pan tightly with some aluminum foil. This is going to cook in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 1.5 to 2 hours. In 1.5 hours, we're going to come back, we're going to check this, because this is going to be very tender, and then the only thing you have to do is take it out, cut up the meat, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And give me a like and ring that notification bell so you can get notified of when I do other recipes. So we're going to pop this in the oven now, and I'll see you back in about 1.5 hours. Welcome back, beautiful people. This dish is ready. This is my Mexican pork chops marinated. Now, what I did, I left it in the oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. I took it out. I cut it up finely, more chunks, and then I uncovered it, put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes, and that is to absorb some of the liquid that was in it and makes it a little bit thicker. So now, only thing we do is serve this with rice. Normally it's served with rice. You can do it with noodles, but rice is the main starch for this dish. So make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, tell all your friends and family, and that way I can come back next week and show you another fabulous recipe. See you next time.